Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you a review on Nova Hair. Is it legit or a scam? So let's get started. So now here we are in Nova Hair. So in here, the first thing that you need to absolutely must get right is to get into the legit website. So it's trynovahair.com. Make sure that you are not in other URLs or other websites because it is absolutely a scam if it's not in the original website. So now from here, what we're going to do is we have the product here, which is a Nova Hair, and you can see the features where you can easily dye your hair in just 10 minutes, no hair damage, no ammonia, and no stains. I know it sounds really good right here. It will be really tempting if you would want to dye your hair. So now we're just going to go down right here and we'll see some other infos about this one. As you can see, they are claiming this works just as well on beards. You can dye your beards as well and so on. And then you would be able to see reviews right here. So I don't really recommend that you trust the reviews that is on the website of the product, because they are probably they are really manipulating the reviews right here. They're only choosing the reviews that is good, of course, so that they would be able to lure you into buying the products and some other reviews right here. So they could easily manipulate this. So as you can see, it is overwhelmingly high. As you can see, it's 4.5 right here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna source out the review here on Google, because in here we would be able to find real people that has really purchased this product and tried it out and see what are their thoughts. So here first is we're gonna search for Nova Hair review, and then we would immediately get the Reddit one. So we're just gonna view this. And in here, so it says, does the original Nova Hair dye shampoo really work? And as you can see, the users here, they are real people, and they are saying that it does not work. It is a scam. It doesn't work at all, and so on right here. So as you can see, they are saying that this is a scam right here. So this is how you would be able to get legit reviews. And some of them actually is saying that it works, and some other reviews also, it says it works right here from real people. So you would also get those kind of reviews. They are actually mixed, but based on my research, the scam reviews or the reviews that are saying that this is a scam is actually much more prominent. And we're just gonna go into other sites, not just Reddit. So you can go for this one and the Trustpilot reviews in here. So as you can see, in here they are saying that do not buy this product, and after 2 emails, complaints, and so on, and quality products. So some of them are really putting up a good review, and some of them are kind of in the middle. So it is stunning, but after applying the product, I felt my face slightly burning and so on, and absolutely amazing. As you can see, there are a lot of products. There are a lot of reviews right here that is saying that it's really good, and also a lot of reviews that is saying it's bad and it's a scam. So in total, in reviews here, it is slightly more prominent in the side of Nova Hair being a scam. And I think the best possible way for you to test this out is to just purchase one product and see if it works for you, because chances are it might also be based on the genetics on how well these products would work, because it could also be based from that. So yeah, but if you're gonna ask me if this is legit, I highly doubt that it is, because of the reviews of the people here, because the reviews that you would get from Reddit are actually very legit, and some other platforms right here, compared to when you are just getting your reviews here on the website itself, because they are just simply manipulating that to get you to trust them. And yeah, this is basically it. So in conclusion, I don't think Nova Hair is legit. And if you are still hoping that it would work for you, then your only choice would be to order a product and try it out yourself. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.